afternoon. So how many of you are students? Okay, and how many of you are working professionally? Okay, so like AI industry is changing rapidly. Okay, before 2 months, I was thinking that like I was at Mumbai Tech Week event. Okay, and Kunal Shah of Grad told that he want to use code on production. Okay, and I was thinking that it is not possible in like 6 months or year. Okay, like AI is generating code which is not prod level. Okay, so I was thinking that, but in 2 months, okay, just in 2 months, so it is like working very good. So how many of you has know what is vibe coding? Do you know what is vibe coding, or have you heard vibe coding? Okay, like most of you. Okay, so the thing is, okay, vibe coding word came into picture in last 2 months. Okay, vibe coding was used by Andres. Andres is one of the co-founder of OpenAI. Okay, he has used vibe coding term in Feb 25, like before 2 months. Okay, so and you are actually doing that. Okay, so he has also mentioned that English will be the next programming language. Okay, not JavaScript, Python, and anything, but English will be next programming language. So you must be listening everyone that okay, AI will take over, AI will do this and that. Okay, but no one is telling you how you can use them. Okay, so here I am giving you something that like so that you can use work of AI and make it work for you. Okay, so this is my I want to give you power to like start yourself. Okay, and you don't even need to be developer. Okay, so what I have done. Okay, I'll show you what I have done. What you can build. Okay, I have built this website. Okay, and this website is built all using prompts. Okay, no, not even single line of code. Okay, so before we start, I'll show you what the site is doing. Okay, so this is the site. Everything is AI generated. Okay, even the messages. Okay, messages, everything is AI generated and through prompts. Okay, so it is having like 6-7 games, different games like games my kid play. Okay, so this idea has come like my kids. I have 2 kids and they are having vacation. Okay, so I told them that they cannot do scrolling all day like Instagram, seeing read. So I told my daughter she can like play game which she can build. Okay, so she has done that, and then we both created few games together. Like 15 puzzle is her favorite game. So like well, this one. This one. Okay, or you must have seen that. Okay, this is the best thing AI can generate. Okay, so through the prompt, it has generated this. You must know the inogram, right? So this is like everything is AI generated through the prompt. So I haven't told like system that use canvas or use something this or that. I have just given prompt and it has generated this. Okay. So I don't want to promote that, but I want to promote this, that anyone can build this, okay. So the project is open source, okay. So anyone can fork it, use it as your college project. You can monetize it, you can clone it, you can do revenue through ads and all, okay. You are open to do anything. The code is open source, okay. I have added link. Okay, so what is the process? Okay, how you can start? Okay, this is like till now everything you know, but you don't know where to start, how to start, which tool to use. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, I am telling you what process I have used. Okay, you can use your own process of using. So first is brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming was just discussion with ChatGPT. Okay, that I want to build a platform. And platform should be like game, puzzle platform. How can I do that? Which game should I include? Okay, so ChatGPT is very good in that. In fact, ChatGPT has given me some idea, and ChatGPT is even rendering React games in Canvas. Okay, so in ChatGPT you can like actually create game and create code. Okay, so this was first level where I have like created the framework for this site. Okay, and then the games. Okay, so what I have done is I have used cursor. Okay, used Next.js template and added prompts that I want to build this platform, create a landing page for it. Okay, through the prompt, it has created that landing page. Okay, once and then I have added the sample code generated by ChatGPT and given it to cursor. Okay, that create a templated game from that. Okay, so if you are building platform, okay, every good game should look like similar. Okay, it is coming from some platform. Okay, so ChatGPT has given me framework. I have used that in cursor, and cursor has created games for me. Then once site is there, okay, the messages, the like landing page message and everything is also generated by ChatGPT. Okay, and it is added to cursor. SEO metadata for each game is having different SEO metadata. Okay, so that it can be searchable and people can come to landing page through that. So even the domain inside. Okay, I have searched in ChatGPT that what domains are available and very cheap. Okay, so it has given me not only just name. If you see the site name in repo is mini games. Okay, it was code name, but then ChatGPT suggested that use mental mint. Domain is available and it's very cheap, 800 rupees per year. Okay, so I have bought it, and even this talk. Okay, even the slides, even the name of the talk, everything is AI generated. Okay. So now we have to check. Okay, you know this is possible, but how? Okay, what tool you can use or how you can use. So that's why I have like think that we can add one game right now during this talk. Okay, so let's just try that. Everything is usable, right?
Just so you know, I had forced him to use light mode because of the project.
Okay, so now it is visible. Okay, so now I am going from I want to add.
You're using cursor.
Yes, I am using cursor. So if you see this window is cursor chat window. Okay, so I want to add a class name game. Add page game should be available on desktop and mobile. Okay, so just this prompt, okay. Expected error. Yes, sir, and should work. Let me just restart this. Week limited, but I think that okay, let's try this one. Check. So here we need to add more prompts, okay? Yes, just simple this prompt without any context. So this was the initial version where I have built this game. So it is actually rendering the code, and it will preview the game. Once it's done, we can actually preview that. Okay, so sometimes it is generating codes with error, but we can actually paste the error message and it will generate code again. Okay, so it is telling you what changes it has done. have built it first time, I haven't actually got any of this error. It was like one shot. It was giving me games one shot. Let's see if it works. I think it is working. For some reason it is not working, but I will add and like I'll post new code. Okay, so yeah, this was reality check. So AI sometimes it works and sometimes it won't. Okay. Because whatever I have built, mostly it was like one shot version. Okay, just simple prompt and then it was generating code. Okay, let's check if old thread. Okay, so this is old thread. Okay, this is how I have started. Okay, so this is very first message I want to build mini game platform. Okay, so it has what theme should I include, what text tag should I use, everything. Okay, so here from here it has given me a structure to enter game. Okay, so this is the code of first tab master group. Let's see if it works. Okay, so this was the initial version which I have generated using check. Okay, so this is simple game which is like just for older people, just to tap and keep them active. So after that, once games are ready, okay. One thing is I have used images. Okay, I have used emojis. Okay, so that I don't need images and my site will work like with very small bundle size. Okay, I'm not using images. Okay, this is it has also given me things where can I get free sounds. Okay, from game sounds. If I want, I can use that. Okay, it has also given me list of sites. This is the thread where I was asking for a name suggestion. Okay, so it has given me mindset, this and available domain too. Okay, it has also checked whether this domain is available or not. Okay, this is sample images generated for logo. Okay, then I think finalize this one. Okay, I am currently using this one. Okay, so if you see it is like generated this thread. Okay, so okay, if you I want to create a ad. Okay, then this is the script for video ad. Other games I could include luck and strategy game, experiment creative game. This is thread of titles. Okay, if I want to do tech talk, what are the like possible titles? size, aspect ratio, and then it is created this. Yes, so the idea is you can generate lot of things, you can do lot of things. Okay, previously you generate a site. Actually, you need at least 5 people. Okay, designer, developer, then marketing people. That were mandatory. Okay, but nowadays you can do it everything using AI. Okay, you can use AI to create games, generate games. You can also do pitching from how you will pitch this to people and all. Okay, so it will be like very useful. So this are the actually like Andres is a person who has given the term vibe coding. Okay, so if you are into actually learning machine learning and all, he is having lot of videos on his YouTube channel. Okay, this is his site and all. GitHub repo. This repo is open. Okay, so if you want, you can copy, clone it, check it. Okay. Sorry, the demo didn't work, but this is how AI works. Okay, sometimes it is like you cannot 100% trust it. That's why, like on production level, we are not using it, but it could be used. Okay, in 6 months or even 2 months, it will be very strong and it will be replacing people for sure. But I think if you learn it, it can be your friend. Okay. Thank you.